In this quick video, I'll show you how to add a hyperlink in Zoho to make your emails more dynamic. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more email tips. First, open Zoho Mail and either compose a new email or reply to an existing one. Highlight the text you want to turn into a hyperlink. Something like click here or a descriptive phrase works best. Next, look at the formatting toolbar above your email body and click the link icon which looks like a chain. Paste the URL you want your text to link to and hit insert. Your text is now a clickable hyperlink. Anyone receiving your email can click it to reach the linked page instantly. If you need to edit or remove the hyperlink, just click on the linked text. Zoho Mail lets you edit the URL or display text or remove the link completely. And that's it. You've successfully added a hyperlink to your Zoho Mail message, making your emails cleaner and more professional.